Good morning, y'all. It is, well, actually afternoon. It's about to be lunchtime, and today I am going to a brand new community that is about to open soon in Moncks Corner, South Carolina at entry-level price point. So you don't want to miss this. If you are interested, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, garage, townhome, and mid 200s, this video is for you. I am Candace Spann. I am a realtor, designer, and content creator, and my videos are all about real life, real estate, and real faith. I'm going to take a personal tour with one of the sales agents with this brand new community called Halstead, and it's off of Highway 52. You're going to get all the insights about this community, so stay tuned. So hey y'all, it's Candace. This is Crystal Mack. This is like one of my new home sales besties, real estate. We both in the industry for some years, but you've been doing it for
about 7
years. Yeah. So when we first did a video, she was in another neighborhood in Cane Bay. Now we in a brand new neighborhood, and she called me and she was like, Candace, I got this community. You got to come see it. We about to start selling in June. You getting a private background of everything. And we're here. Crystal, tell us what you got going on. Drop it. What's happening?
All right. So welcome, everybody. My name is Crystal Mack. I'm a new home sales consultant out here in Halstead. We're located off of Highway 52. And the great thing is we open June 21st.
Yes.
So let me tell you what we have. We are offering 2 and 3 bedroom townhomes.
Perfect.
They're all attached. Roughly about 160 units will be going up in this neighborhood.
Nice.
So do not wait till the last minute because they will go.
Yes, they will.
We are offering all appliances included in these townhomes: washer, dryer, refrigerator. This neighborhood does have an HOA that's only $120 per month.
A month?
So $120 per month.
That's it? Y'all,
Yes.
Townhomes nowadays is like $300, $400 plus a month. So that is very inexpensive for HOA.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And as far as the schools in this area, it is Whitesville Elementary, Berkeley Middle, Berkeley High School.
Nice.
Yeah.
Tell us about the amenities.
So with the amenities, we have a dog park, walking trail, playground, and a fishing pond.
And I know you said workout area, dude.
And we do have a small workout area as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
So for the outdoorsy people, this would be kind of great for them.
Oh yeah.
I love that.
Oh, yeah.
Let's not even waste some more time on talking about what else you got to share, because once you show us the floor plan, we're going to talk about pricing when we get there. Let's go ahead and head on out to the house so we can see it. Y'all stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
Yes, that's where all the cookouts gonna be.
Correct.
Are these gonna be other townhomes right here on both sides? Oh, that's nice. I love that. Okay. And then got some bench seating right here. Okay. Bench seating, workout area. Perfect. And then that community over there.
That's Riverstone.
Riverstone. Okay, yeah, DRB old neighborhood. Got it.
That's DRB?
This is so nice. So you got a dock right here. So this is where they can fish.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Walking trails. Is that gardening?
I think so.
Oh my gosh, that's amazing. And then this is what? The dog park. Oh, I love that. Oh, about to trip and fall. Shoot, I need to buy out here,
Investment property.
Girl. And then are they doing more mailboxes right here? Probably.
I'm not sure. I know that there is some further down, all the way down, but yeah.
Oh yeah, this is great. Y'all got a sweet area. I mean, they did a really great job with this. Hey y'all, so we made it out to some of the townhomes that are available right now. Crystal is about to show us just some of those that are available. If you are interested in this property, please make sure you contact me directly, not your real estate agent. My name is Candace Spann. Information will be down below in the caption. Let's take a look at this house and see what they got to offer. Because sometimes people looking at the neighborhood, and when you say right off the highway, like they be like, off the highway, safety wise, it's like, no, like you actually got a nice drive through, nice curb appeal, all of that coming into the community is really, really nice.